Christine from Access Plus. So here's the Itajet drugstore. So we have the red, white, and then the yellow white. So for the regular color, the price would be 448,000. So may tatlong variant po siya na color is black. We have black po, yellow, white, and then the black, and the white and red.
Hindi na yung limited. May ganito pala sila. Pero hindi na ba yung luma yata? Hindi pa rin yung hindi pa rin dito. Ito mas maganda yung setup. Nakataas yung mataas na yung bar.
Oo, ano?
May nag-text sa akin yung sa Italjet. Oo. Mukha ba ito